Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're working on Kangaroo 2017 grade 7 to 8 exam, question 28, and it's a great math problem. So let's get started. Two runners are practicing on a 720-meter circular track. They run in opposite directions, each at a constant speed. The first runner needs 4 minutes to complete the track, and the second runner needs 5 minutes to complete the track. How many meters does the second runner travel between the two consecutive meetings of the two runners? So, just a hint before you get started, the formula that you need for this question is distance is equal to speed times time. Okay, and you need to figure out after how long are the two runners meeting, and the time is crucial for you to figure out how much distance he's gonna travel. So I'll be discussing the solution in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we know that the total distance is 720 meters, right? And m is for meters. They run in opposite direction at a constant speed, but we don't know what that speed is. We do know that the first runner is taking 4 minutes. Okay, so the first runner is taking 4 minutes, right? That means the speed of the first runner, this is the time, and we know the distance already. The speed is going to be distance upon time, so it's going to be 720 divided by 4, which is 180 meter per minute. Let's see what it is for the second runner. So for the second runner, he's taking, or they are taking, 5 minutes, right? So speed is going to be 720 over 5 using the same formula that we used before, and that's 144 meter per minute. Okay, so now we know their speed, but we still don't know how long, after how long they're going to meet. Because they're going in opposite direction, their speed is going to be, we will be adding their speed to figure out how much speed they're traveling at to complete one full loop. So the speed of the runners is 180 plus 144, and that is 324 meter per minute. Okay, because they're covering this between two consecutive meetings, the distance of that they're traveling is still 720. That means what we're going to do is we are going to figure out the time they're going to meet together. So the time is going to be again distance over speed, right? So the distance is 720 over the speed is 324, and that gives us, if we divide it by 12, is going to give us 60 over 27. Further dividing it by 3, that's going to give us 20 over 9 minutes. If you're confused at this part of why we added it, you can think of an example. Let's say you're in a hallway, okay, and your friend is at 3 steps per second and you are at 2 steps per second, but you're walking opposite to each other. So when you're walking opposite to each other, you are taking five steps each second. That's why we added it to figure out how many total steps or how many total meters are the runners traveling at. Okay, now that we know the time after they're gonna meet, all we need to do is use the formula distance is equal to speed times time to figure out how much distance the second runner traveled during the 20 over 9 minutes. So that's the speed, right, of the second runner. It's constant, not changing, and the time is 20 over 9. So when we multiply that, it's going to be 2880 over 9. And when we divide that, that gives me 320 meters. And that's my answer right there. Let me know if you had another way of solving this, or if you have any questions about the same problem in the comments below. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.